party. We're at 945 Northrup Avenue in San Jose. My name is Lynn Watanabe MacFarlane, and I'm your host for your open house from Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath in Willow Glen. It's just, completely remodeled, and it's perfect for a new home buyer who is looking for no HOA. So if you like to have a pet, or if you like gardening, you'll really love this. This has a nice private patio in the back and a backyard, so come in and take a look.